Get going while the getting going's good.
Motors armed.
There you go.
We're about to find out.
Oh, was it only when flaps were down that you felt an imbalance?
Yeah, I cycled through them and it seemed to be, it seems like I got a little bit of right aileron out of trim too. It's gonna be all kinds of funky coming down.
Come on, boy, where are you at?
I'm gonna do a practice slow pass here, and
When you're chasing that 16, I'm gonna walk down farther and get past the vehicle, so I don't come in so high.
okay.
And then have to push it down.
Landing flaps.
That's the issue that I have with my vehicle. That's why I don't need it.
Time remaining 1 minute. Takeoff flaps. Flaps up.
Before change that F-16, that's what does it train? I should have sent my drone for
Okay. We'll go set up and see.
that low battery when you do a maneuver.
Yeah, when you hear that deep beep on the transmitter, it means it's
Sag.
sagged.
Even landing pattern.
Yep.
Takeoff flaps.
Gear down.
Gear down. Oh, is Benny leaving?
Yeah.
10,
One
9,
less vehicle.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
Beautiful.
braking 1, 5,
Ah! Okay, there you go.
That was maximum braking there.
Very nice, man.
safe mode.
Those reverse, how do you call that?
Yeah, reverse
stuff?
thruster,
It
yeah.
works well for that. They have way.
Yeah, it does.
That was awesome.
The F-16, I can just over-flare it and
Uh-oh.
drop it.
I've got like no wheel control here.
Look at that spot.
The tail looks bouncy, like it's flexy.
Yeah, and I'm losing, I think my nose wheel servo's going out.
If you had a camera on the
Yeah.
I noticed that on my planes.
You could put one of the cameras.
Yeah. If you had a Velcro, yeah, if we put a Velcro. Like
Yeah.
on my Hornet, I saw that the whole leading edge was curved. So I put a spar.